Unlock incredible tech with flexible payments by learning how to use Afterpay at Best Buy. First things first, let's talk eligibility to use Afterpay on your Best Buy purchases. You generally need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid email address and phone number, and a U.S. residential address. You'll also need a credit or debit card to link to your Afterpay account. Here's how it works when you're ready to check out. Whether online at BestBuy.com or in-store, simply select Afterpay as your payment method. If you don't have an Afterpay account yet, you can easily create one on the spot or beforehand. For online shopping, after clicking Pay with Afterpay, you'll be prompted to log into your Afterpay account. You'll then see your purchases installment schedule. Typically, you'll pay 25% of the total purchase price upfront, and the remaining balance will be divided into 3 equal installments, paid automatically every 2 weeks. This means you can enjoy your new gadget right away and spread the cost over a manageable period without incurring interest. Using Afterpay in store is just as straightforward. Simply open your Afterpay app, select your purchase, and generate a barcode or QR code. Present this code to the cashier at checkout, and he'll scan it to process your payment. The same for installment payment plan applies. It's important to remember that Afterpay is a payment service that allows you to pay over time to avoid any potential late fees. Ensure your linked payment card has sufficient funds for each scheduled installment. Always check the terms and conditions for the most up-to-date information. So next time you're browsing for the latest electronics or home appliances at Best Buy, remember you can use Afterpay to shop now and pay later, making your dream tech more accessible than ever. Happy shopping!